This is the HTC Vive Tracker, a wireless tracker for use in virtual reality. But before I show you how it works, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. This is a tracker specifically designed to allow interaction or walking in virtual reality. This tracker is placed on the person's body and communicates the position, rotation and movements in the virtual reality system, reproducing the position and movements in the virtual environment in which you are immersed. If I put this tracker on my arm, my leg or my foot, it can accurately identify the position of those parts of my body. And if I place several Vive trackers on various parts of my body, the virtual reality system can track each part of my body in real time, directly converting all my physical movements into the virtual reality world. This device can be used with the HTC Vive controller. This device also has the ability to track the position, but its main purpose is to hold it with your hands, to perform interactions and actions in virtual reality. The HTC Vive controller will only track the position of your hand, but the Vive tracker will track body parts or objects. The HTC Vive tracker comes in a small box. Everything we'll need is inside the box, which includes the device, the USB Bluetooth and the charging cable. This box does not include straps to secure the equipment to your body. Inside the box comes the device, which is shaped like a disc with 3 antennas to communicate via Bluetooth with the system. On the bottom, there is a connection to connect to other devices, and a screw to place it on a tripod. Inside the box, there's also a user manual that explains all the features and functionalities of this device. If you have any questions about how it works, how to connect, this manual explains everything. It also has a warranty manual and information on safety and regulations. At the bottom of the box are the accessories. Includes a USB cable with a USB Type-A plug and a micro USB plug, 1 meter long. This cable can be used to extend the USB Bluetooth connection or charge the device. It also includes a small USB block that allows you to connect the Bluetooth USB further away from the computer, which uses the USB cable connected by micro USB. And there's also a USB Bluetooth device. This device is what communicates between the Vive tracker and the computer via Bluetooth. It looks like a USB flash drive, but it's just a Bluetooth receiver. These are all the objects included in the box of this device. It's everything you'll need to track and communicate with the system. For better experience with this device, especially if you have several devices like this, you may need additional accessories, which you have to buy separately. And so, this is the HTC Vive Tracker, a physical tracker for virtual reality. And in the coming weeks, I will demonstrate how this device works, so you can see how it's used. Virtual reality is a very fun technology that allows you to explore completely different virtual worlds in your own home. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, and I'm going to show you several virtual reality projects and games.